turning off the sound to the colossal 8-foot spider. That way the lights are on for the eyes and it doesn't make noise. First of all, you need a number 2 Phillips, another small Phillips, to remove all the screws. First thing you do, disassemble it so you don't have the legs, all you have is the head. Turn it upside down. You're going to remove the screws from all the holes. There's 2 at each leg. There's 2 smaller ones at the front on the smaller appendages. 1 at the back at the triangle that holds the abdomen on. And there is a real small one that goes right in between at the front of the head that you have to remove to pop it apart. Once all the screws are out, you will turn it over and then just simply pop it apart so that now it's the top is disassembled. You can then slide that back and now you remove the 4 screws from the cover that holds the electronics in from the battery compartment. Just take your 4 screws out. Once you have the screws loose, just move the cover to the side. You come over here, take your yellow wire, which leads right to your speaker, and you simply grab it and disconnect it. And you can just leave it lay right down there, down below. It's fine, it won't hurt anything. There's just no power to it. And that disconnects the speakers. And at that point, the eyes will light up, the eyes will flash, and there's no annoying sound to aggravate your neighbors.